Welcome to my empty apartment tour. So here we are stepping into the apartment. This is the entryway, and that's kind of the view you'll see once you walk into my unit. I'm going to turn around so you can see the entryway. It's rather small, but those two doors to the left-hand side are the doors to the washer and dryer, which we are going to check out right now. It's your standard washer and dryer. At the top, you have storage. So I have these like little baskets that I'll be putting up there to store my detergents and other items that I use for washing clothes. So we're just going to go ahead and close those doors. And then right there again is just my entryway. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with that space. It's really small. But here we are walking into the kitchen. And so as you can see, these cabinets here are brown, stainless steel appliances. Those two doors to the left of the fridge are the cabinet, like pantry space. So this is where I'll be putting like my items that I get from the grocery store because I don't have a pantry closet, which is totally fine because I don't really get that much stuff. It's just me. I think everything is definitely going to fit in these cabinets. All right, so I love the backsplash. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's just like a gray wash. It's really nice. And I'm going to turn around, and here you're just seeing what you would see if you were standing in my kitchen. The sink is farmhouse style, pretty deep. We do have a dishwasher, as you saw there. On this wall, I have some ideas already. I just really can't wait to get in and start decorating the space. So now we again are at that same view, kind of by the door in the kitchen. And this is the space, you guys, my dining area to the right. And then as you step back, you see more of the kitchen. And I have 4 bar stools that I will put right there by the bar stand, or whatever you want to call it. And that wall to the left, I have so much plans to decorate that as well. And then this is my dining area. I will be putting my dining table right there in that spot in front of those 2 windows. I just want you to step back and kind of see what's going on in the space. And then, yeah, I think this time I'm definitely going to get some curtains because in my apartment now, I just left the blinds, but I want to change up the look. I'm going to get some curtains. I'm probably going to do ceiling to floor length curtains just to give it more of a luxe vibe. And that door is the door to the patio, which I'll show you guys a little bit later. Now we are turning around, and from the dining room, you'd see the living room. So that wall is where I will put my TV, and against the windows is where I will put my sectional. And just, yeah, I really think that this space is great for me. I'm downsizing from a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom. I just want to save this year. And so I feel like definitely taking the step to downsize is going to work out for me. And then again, as you can see here, you have a window, the double window, and then a single window. And this is perfect because if you've been following me, you know I have plants. So all of my plants will get tons of sun in this lovely apartment space. Now let's check out the patio. It's a good size. It's just your standard square patio. I love my view because it's really just not seeing too much of the street, which is where I am now. My view is the main road. So with this view, I get a little more like just privacy, greenery view, not really looking at people coming and going, which is totally fine. And as you can see, there's some of the other apartments, and that's like a garage, I believe. So yeah, that is the patio space. Now we are back in the main area. These 2 doors right here is a coat closet. That's what I'll be using it for, to put like my coats that I use on an everyday basis. And then like my everyday shoes, I will get a shoe rack and put it at the bottom. So this is kind of just the view. To the right is the bathroom, to the left is the bedroom. And I don't know, like I may get a closet organizer to put in this closet to maximize the space versus just hanging everything up and putting my shoes on the floor. I want to be able to really maximize the space because there's not a lot of storage here. And y'all know I got a lot of clothes. So I have 2 closets where I'm at now, and both of the closets are filled to the max. So we're going to have to work this out. And I think using a closet organizer in that coat closet is going to work. Now we're in the bedroom and just kind of doing a full spin around. And I think that this bedroom is really big. I kind of feel like it's bigger than the bedroom I'm in now because of this little caddy space that you get for the window. I get to take my bed bench and actually put it by the window in this unit versus where I am now. I have the bed bench in my bathroom. So yeah, this is the closet, y'all. The struggle is going to be real. I don't know. I don't know how it's going to work, but we're just going to have to make it happen because I'm not going to a 2-bedroom, y'all. It's not happening. We are saving coins. Okay, honey. Now we're going to get into the bathroom area. So this is the bathroom space. I'm just going to go ahead and turn on the light for you guys. Nothing really fancy, just your standard apartment bathroom. I will be changing the shower head into more of like one of those rain heads and the one that you can pull down. And here is the like storage area. There I go, trying to hide because I look like a bum today, but it's all good. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I will be adding, different like wall storage space and things to maximize the bathroom space as well. And this is my new home to be. Check it out. This is how it looks now because the vision I have, y'all, is about to get lit. I'm so excited. All right, let's just head on out of this space. But before we do, turn off the lights, give it one last look. And now I'm going to show you something special. So with the unit that I have, I get a storage space that sits right outside the apartment, literally the door right next to my door. This is my storage space. Pretty big. I'm going to be putting all of like the things that I don't use often in this closet. So for example, my heavy blankets will be in this closet. All right, now I'm going to take you guys to check out the amenities. This is the Clubhouse. I love the view. Like, look at the top, y'all. Oh my gosh. They have a fireplace, and it's just giving me like a really rustic vibe, very country bumpkin feel. I don't know. That's just what I get when I'm in this space or when I visit to check out my apartment. So yeah, this is the main area, and I believe they have resident events, so I can't wait to get into those as well. Now we're gonna head over to check out their yoga room, which is right here. This is the yoga room. Y'all know I do my yoga in the morning, so maybe I will get up and get out of my house and come down to the Clubhouse and use this studio because I love that it has the mirrors right there, so I'm able to see what I'm doing. Now we're at the fitness center. Y'all, their fitness center is the bomb. I just love all of this equipment. I mean, that thing straight in front of you with the red is like a little boxing machine. I definitely want to come over and check that out. Treadmills, bikes. Oh, I love that they have a rower. I've always wanted to try one of those things, so I'll definitely be coming over and giving that a try. Everything else, I don't know how to use, so I'm not even going to mess with them. And that's it for the fitness room. Now we're going to head upstairs because this is a 2-level clubhouse. Upstairs, they have some more things. I love the decor, those mirrors. I wish I can take them off, take them to my apartment, but we can't do that, y'all. So let's keep going. Here we are walking finally upstairs, and this is like their main lounge area. So if I don't feel like having you in my house, you're about to meet me right here in the Clubhouse, and we're gonna chill and have a movie night or just hang out and do something right here in this beautiful space. And again, can we say theme, y'all? Because this upstairs portion is giving me the same Clubhouse, like lodge vibe feel. I think this room is so cute. When I came and toured the space, I said, yeah, definitely date night ideas right in there. They have this cute sign. It says, "The secret of life is enjoying the passage of time, James Taylor." How cute. And these are their 2 computers that they have for the business office, and another view of a TV, and just so serene. I'm not in Charleston. I'm in the mountains, and that's it. So from the computers, like right behind the computers, you have a view of their pool, which we're going to get a closer view, but I just wanted you to see that I appreciate that there are no apartment buildings surrounding the pool. It's just the woods. How beautiful is that? Like most apartments, they have their pool in the middle, and so if you're in the pool, people around or in their apartments can spy on you. Pretty creepy. I've experienced it myself. Where I live now, I had this lady come to me. after I left the pool a couple days later, like, oh my God, I saw you down at the pool from my apartment and I was staring because I loved your bathing suit. Weird. But I won't have to deal with that here. So I'm very appreciative because I get in the water. I love going to the pool in the summertime, and I will be using their pool up. So I've come down the stairs and I like this little nook right here. It's just a little bench looking out to the main road. And now we are at the pool area. I'm not going to go in. I'm just going to kind of scan around, but I love it. They have a lounge area in the back. They have a fire pit, some different little games. That hut to the right, that's their car wash area. So yeah, and this is the back patio of the whole Clubhouse building. We will be taking content out here, guys, because yes, we use it up. Where you are, where you're at, can be used to take your content pictures, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So if you see these polls in my pictures on the gram, you already know your girl is at home in her community using up the amenities that she is paying for. Okay, but anyway, back to the pool. This is it, y'all. Love the view. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.